What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are y'all doing today? Today we're going to be making some swirly whirly springtime graduation nails for my good friend Daniela. These are some of the inspo pics that she sent me. I'm so sorry, I don't know the name of the artist of these nails. If anyone names them, if anyone knows the name, feel free to comment below. But that's kind of the vibe that she was going for. She requested a medium square shape, and yeah, she sent me those inspo pics. I already had her sizes. So at this point, I began prepping the nails with some nail primer and base coat as usual. And now I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this milky white color. And I did, obviously take the inspo into consideration when I was creating these nails. I wanted to make sure I gave her what she was looking for. And also, I do know Daniela personally. We're cool. So I kind of threw in a little extra razzle dazzle in there for her. Just, a little something special. Because, girl, we graduating, okay? We can't be having no plain nails. We want to be seen walking across that stage, okay? So I did kind of spice these nails up just a little bit for her. So Daniela, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for supporting my small business. You've been here since the start, and I just thank you for all of your support. Thank you so much for your good word of mouth, and I just love you so much. And I feel like these nails came out super cute, and I hope you love them when you see them. So yeah, right, back to the nails. So basically I went in with 2 coats of that milky white color, and it's funny because that milky white color has kind of like a pink tint to it in the bottle, but on the nail it's just like regular milky white, so whatever. I did do 2 coats of that, curing for 30 seconds for each coat. And you can see in the inspo pics she was going for like the swirly whirly vibe that's really popular right now. And she wanted like green colors, and a few of the pictures that she sent me had like milky white in there. I kind of went back and forth between like a milky white and a nude, but I ultimately decided that a milky white would be good, so that's what I did. And I took 3 different green shades on my little mixing palette here. It's really just the top of a Tupperware, but I only use it for nail art, so that's what that is. But I have a forest green, I have like a, not really a turquoise, but like a medium green, like a muted green, and also a bright green color, like a nice grassy green. So I'm going in with each 3 of those colors, and I went in really slowly, kind of step by step, to show you my technique for doing these swirls. So I went in with the dark color first, the medium color second, and then the lighter color last, just because, and I did cure in between each color if you're wondering, but I just did that because I didn't want the colors to bleed into one another, and I thought it would look really nice with the lighter colors framing that prominently darker color. So that's just what you see me doing here. I've done a design like this before. I don't think I've done it on my channel, but I have done a design like this before. And I do also think there's a couple of swirly whirly designs available on my website. Link will be in the description if you want to check that out. But if you're having trouble creating this design, so I've been a lot more confident in my line work lately. That's why I decided to just go in with the fine detail brush, because it is a little bit quicker, and it does give you a little bit more of a precise line. But if you're having a hard time creating this design, feel free to go in and use a dotting tool. It works just as well. It gives you more control over the tool and the polish. So yeah, if you're struggling with like your line work, try using a dotting tool, and it'll go a lot more smoothly. So yeah, that's just kind of what I'm doing here. I had kind of a hard time figuring out what to do with this design, because the pictures she sent me, they're all kind of the same vibe, like green, springy, subtle, simple, but still nice. They're all kind of the same vibe, but I was like, I don't really know what kind of background color to do. And y'all know me, like, these would have been blinged out. I would have had some ombre in there somewhere if it was up to me, obviously. But when you're making nails for someone else, you have to keep in mind like their style, their vibe, and what you think they would like. And some people don't really like all of that. So when I was making these nails, I almost went in and did like a glittery holographic top coat. But I was like, I don't know. I don't want to do too much because, like I said, those inspo pics that she sent me were, you know, more like subtle designs or whatever. So yeah, but you'll see towards the end, I added in a little 3D charm for her. Just because, like I said, you know, we trying to be seen walking across that stage. We can't have no basic nails on graduation day. It just ain't happening. It just ain't happening. Speaking of which, I'm going to be graduating soon as well. By the time this video goes up, I may have already graduated. I'm not sure, because y'all know I pre-film a lot of this stuff. So I may have already graduated by the time this video goes up, but I'm going to film myself doing my graduation nails. I'm still trying to think about what kind of style I want to do, what vibe I'm going for. I'm going back and forth between this like ombre dried flower design and also like a plain red design, but that's kind of not really exciting to film, just plain red nails, you know. So if you have any suggestions or any styles you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. But I'm so happy to be graduating. Obviously, I'm nervous for my future. I've been thinking a lot just about like my future and just what's gonna happen to me, like what kind of person I'm gonna become in the next few years, what kind of things I'm gonna do, what kind of work I'm gonna be interested in, because, you know, becoming a big YouTube personality was never in the plans. Being consistent on YouTube was never in the plans. Making this sort of content was never in the plans, but I don't know. It's just, it really is a lot of fun. It really is a lot of fun. And I'm starting to kind of enjoy it more than like the business side of things, which is like, I hate to say that, but it's kind of true. You know, when I first started my press-on nail business, I felt really kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? I guess ambivalent or averse to doing a YouTube channel with this kind of content, because it's like, I don't know if I should film myself doing nails because I sell nails, and wouldn't that make myself a little obsolete? But, you know, the fact of the matter is that I'm having a blast, okay? I'm having a great time. And every day I just get so many more different ideas. Also, I have something really special planned for the month of August. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, first of all, you want to make sure you're subscribed. What are you even doing here? Pause this video right now, click the subscribe button, and click the bell. And that's just that. And like the video, okay? Because I ain't here for nothing, all right? I'm not here for nothing. And if you subscribe, you can get this kind of content every week, sis. Like, don't you want to hear my voice, my soothing voice every week? I know you do. So you best to hit that subscribe button. And that's just that, okay? Okay. I feel like I'm rambling now, but yeah, how do you guys feel about when I talk through these whole entire videos? I personally don't like watching videos where there's no type of audio, like, or there's just music rather. I'm not a fan of those types of videos. I need something to keep me engaged. I need to be actively listening to something. So that's why I try to talk through these entire videos. I don't want to just leave you guys hanging. And I also feel like it's lazy editing on my part if I don't talk through the entire videos. So I don't know. I haven't gotten any complaints about it yet. But yeah, so also, if you all want, you can comment some topics that you would like me to speak about during these videos. I want to start doing different kinds of videos, different kinds of talk-throughs. I'm going to be, oh, actually, by this point, I may have a face cam tutorial up. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go and check it out. But yeah, also, like, whenever I'm doing these voiceovers, so for some reason, I get so much, like, gas in my chest and I just have to burp like every 5 minutes. And I don't know if that's TMI, but it's super annoying because like, have you guys ever been watching a video and somebody like burps in their voiceover or coughs or sneezes? It's really not even that big of a deal, to be honest, but I just cannot stand that. Like, it's super irritating to me. But anywho, yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll just let you guys finish watching me do this design, and then I will be back for the remainder of the video.
Choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something bigger than ourselves.
All right, so this is how the design looks so far. I did go ahead and use the same technique on both hands, but I figured that was kind of pointless for me to film because it's literally the exact same thing. Now I'm going in with this cute 3D snake charm with some clear clear stones in it, and I just thought it would be a nice touch, you know. None of the inspo pics that she sent me had any bling or anything in them, but I've made some sets for this particular client before, and you know, I know she likes like a little sparkle, so that's why I was like, let me go ahead and like do my this is the moment where I felt like Salt Bae. I was like, let me sprinkle a little you know, razzle dazzle on up in there. So that's what I did. Now I'm going in with some top coat. I just did one coat of some Glossy Top Coat, cured it for 60 seconds, went in and wiped down the sides to keep the shape of these nails. These particular nails, comment below if you want the name of these nails. Well, actually, they're just the square nails from BT Art Box, and they're really good quality. To be the length that they are, they actually have really nice shape. They have a pretty nice C curve as well. So yeah, if you're ever looking for some like nice medium square nails, give these a try. And I just did that, and then I'm going in and I'm just filing the tops to reinforce that free edge, but also get rid of the little piece of plastic on the end because I don't file it at the beginning. I'm cleaning the undersides and oversides of the nails, and this is the final result. I didn't show me packaging them or anything like that because I want to do a more in-depth video about packaging and shipping and all that good stuff, but just get a look at the swirly whirliness. I think these are super cute colors that she picked. Daniela's style is really cute and just experimental, so I'm really excited to see what she pops out in for graduation. Thank you again, Daniela, if you're watching this video. I love you so much, and I love you as well, Diva Gang. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.